Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I will be teaching you the diagrams of science which is very important for your board exam. Okay. Today let me start with the first diagram, that is human heart. I am showing you with the logic how you are supposed to draw the diagram. First step number 1. Step number 1. Draw the shape of the heart. Step number 1. Okay. After this, not exact half, above to the half, you can draw one straight line. Next step, you can erase the bottom part. Then next what you can do, from this end, can you see here, from this end till towards left side. See, this is the straight line. देखो बेटा, ये आकर आपकी straight line है, ठीक है. ये straight line से थोड़ा बाहर जाना है. Then again just take this bulge kind of thing, join it here. Is this clear? Now after this, erase this line. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, very simple. See here, this is the heart. We are dividing this heart into two separate chambers. So this is the line. Can you see, children? This is the line which is dividing the heart into two chambers. इसको आप join नहीं करना है, थोड़ा gap maintain कर लीजिएगा. Okay. Then after this, one chamber like this, again one more line like this, one more line like this, and again one more line like this. Now we can see this heart is having 4 chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see this was the line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally we have 4 chamber heart. उसके बाद में आपको क्या करना है? Simple. See here. Can you see this? This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. It's not like you have to use red and black pen. No, I'm just showing you the difference. That's it. आपको एक ही पेन इस्तेमाल करना है. You have to use only one pen. We have done this much. Good. After this, what we can do? Draw a line like this. Again, one more line. Can you see here? Draw one more line like this. Can you see this? This is the line. Draw like this. After this, draw the shape of a tree. Done. Now what you should do is erase this which is coming in center of this line. इस line के अंदर जो भी बीच में आ रहा है बेटा, उसको erase कर लीजिएगा. Erase this part. We have erased this. Can you see here? We have erased this. Now draw the shape of an S like this. See here how? Start from here, going and coming here. Again one more line. Erase here. अब इसके अंदर आपको जो भी बीच में दिखाई दे रहा है बेटा, उसको आप erase करना है. Again, can you see this? We are just going to erase this part. आपको सेंट्रल लाइन में जो भी दिखाई दे रहा है उसको आप इरेज कर देना है. Understood? Yes. We have done with the human heart diagram. And last step, what you should do? Can you see this line? This line you need to join with this part. Again, can you see this? Again, join till here. This is our human heart. Now naming. Assume I am standing like this. This is my right side and this is the left side. Similarly, this is my right part and this is my left part. How to name this? See children, can you see this block? Yes, this is nothing but right atrium. This is right atrium. This part is right, sorry, this is right, and now this is left atrium. So this is right atrium and this is left atrium. Similarly, this part is right ventricle, and next this part is left ventricle. Okay, atrium means anti. Okay, this is atrium. This anti is going out, so this and this part, can you see here, this is called as superior and this part is called as inferior. Remember the difference, children. This is superior and this is inferior. This is superior vena cava, and this is inferior vena cava. This is superior vena cava and this is inferior vena cava. Good. Now देखो बेटा, जब हम डकार देंगे, oh, see it's coming from here, oh, that is S. This is what? That is aorta. So this is aorta. Similarly, can you see this shape of a T? Yes. This shape of a T is nothing but we call it as pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. Can you see this both? This is called as pulmonary vein. This is called as pulmonary vein. I hope you all have understood this figure, how to draw and how to name these parts. It's very simple. If you are going to draw these things, okay, just 2 or 3 times you practice, never in your life you are going to forget this part. Okay, just I will show you in short manner how you are supposed to draw in 1 minute. Okay, and can you see here one more line which I said you, the line which is dividing the heart into 2 chambers. So this line is called as septum. This line is called as septum. Okay, anyways, we can just first draw the shape of a heart, divide it, okay, then just take this deviation till here and till here. After that, septum line. Now next, this 4 chambers, this is 1 and this is 1, and these are the 2 different blocks. You can draw it here, then draw the shape of a tree and draw the shape of an S. That's it. Hope you all have enjoyed this. Don't forget to share this video to your other friends. Let they also practice this figure in the easiest manner. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.